Hello, kindergarten scientists. You have been learning about weather. Well, it's getting hotter these days, and I want to share with you some of the tools that I use to keep cool. So I have a tool right next to me, and this tool is called an air conditioner. This air conditioner I use on hot days to keep cool. I'll turn it on. Oops. I don't think I have it. All right, and now it plugs in. And when I put the curtain in front of it, you can see the curtain's moving because it's sending in this nice cool breeze to keep us cool. All right, I'm going to turn that off. That's kind of noisy, that tool. Well, I want to share with you another tool I use to keep cool, and it's called a fan. Before I show you that, how many of you use an air conditioner to keep cool? Show me with a thumbs up. All right, now I'm going to show you a fan, and before I show you the fan, how many of you use a fan to keep cool? Show me with a thumbs up. All right, now I'm going to show you this next tool, and here is a fan. This is a window fan. There's so many different types of fans, but this is one of the fans that I own and I have. Give me a moment. I'm going to plug it in, and you can see with the curtain in front, the breeze that comes through. All right. And as you can see, the curtain is moving because it's forcing a breeze and cool air to come inside. All right, so this is another tool that I use to keep cool. I'm gonna unplug that for a second. Now, I wanna share with you a tool that you can make, and it's called a paper fan. You can use printer paper like this, or you can use construction paper like this. Some people like to make a design on the paper. They like to draw using whatever tools they have, like markers or crayons, colored pencils. So if you have paper and those drawing tools, you can use those tools to make a design. I'm gonna do a little design on my paper fan because it's kind of fun to do a design. I'm gonna do some hearts. And I'm going to add some more designs. Maybe I'll add some lines, some slanted lines like that. All right, and I'm gonna add one more design because I really like to draw. It's pretty fun. I'm gonna add some shining stars. There we go. Now I'm gonna show you how to make a paper fan. So here's my paper. I drew the designs that I wanted on my paper. Now it's time to fold. So what you do is you take one short end of your paper and you fold it in a little bit and you press down like that. And then you turn your paper over and you fold it the other way. Fold it back. This is called a fan fold. Fold it forward, flip your paper over and fold it back. Flip your paper again and fold forward. So you keep making this rectangle shape every time you fold. Flip your paper back and fold. Oops, I'm going to do that again. I'm going to fix my folds a little bit. There we go. And it's a pattern, right? I'm flipping and I'm folding. Flip the paper again and fold. Flip again and fold. And I do this until I get to the end of my paper. I have a little bit left, so I'm going to flip one more time and fold. And now it looks like a thin rectangle here. You open it up. And what I do at the bottom of the fan is I bend a small piece of that bottom up so that the fan stays together. I'm going to spread out my fan just a little bit. There we go. And that's a paper fan. This is a simple tool you can make at home using paper. You don't have to make designs, but if you'd like to, you could. And how do you use this paper fan? This is how I use it. I go like this. Keep cool. And you see my hair is moving, right? So it's giving me this light breeze, which feels so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this demonstration. If you have time, I hope you make a paper fan. Have a great day, everyone.